Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your project. So let's get started. Over here in your toolbar, click on Maya, and if you can't find it there, you can find it in the Launchpad. You want to scroll over, and then you can find the Maya app there. And if you still can't find it, go to your Applications folder, find the Autodesk folder, click what year you're using, and then you can find the app there. Now, once Maya loads, you want to create a new scene. You can create it either here or to the left. So click on New Scene. And to set the project, I'm going to go to File, Project Window. So again, that's File, Project Window. You're going to click on New. And let's label this Lesson 1. And let's find a location. So click on the folder. And I always like using the desktop. So in the upper left, folder bookmarks. Scroll down to desktop, click on that, and then say select. And I want you to see this next part. So we have the project name and the location. Click on accept, and it should pop up on my desktop. Yeah, there it is. Sweet. Okay, now the next part is File, Set Project. Setting a project tells the computer where to save all your files. So we just made this folder for the project. We want to save all of our files we do for lesson 1 in this folder. So click on lesson 1 and say set. And the final part of this tutorial, you're going to save your scene. So File, Save Scene As. And because we set our project, it'll automatically be saved in the correct folder. So let's name this L01 for lesson 1 underscore. And I like using all caps. You don't have to. Setup. So L01 underscore setup. And I like using Maya ASCII. So click on this one. And then save as. And if we go to that folder, so click on lesson 1, and under scenes, yep, L01 underscore setup should all be there. Sweet. And that is it for part 1. Next up in part 2, we'll be making everything from scratch and preparing your scene for animation.